Have you ever wondered what happens to your hard-earned assets when you're no longer around to manage them? It's a question that many of us push to the back of our minds, but the truth is, it's an essential one to consider. This is where the importance of estate planning comes into play. Estate planning is like a master plan for your assets. It's a process that ensures your wealth and assets are distributed exactly as you wish, taking the guesswork out of the equation for your heirs. It's about creating a roadmap for your wealth, minimizing disputes among heirs, and potentially saving them from hefty tax bills. Imagine a world where your legacy is protected, where your hard-earned wealth continues to provide for your loved ones long after you're gone. That's the power of effective estate planning. Estate planning isn't just for the wealthy, it's a crucial step for everyone to consider. Understanding estate planning isn't as complex as it might seem. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. First, take an inventory of your assets. This is everything you own, from your house and car to your savings accounts and personal possessions. It's important to know exactly what you have before you can decide what you want to do with it. While it might seem like a daunting task, it's essential to have a clear picture of your financial situation. Second, decide how you want to distribute your assets. This is where you get to decide who gets what. Do you want to leave everything to your spouse or children? Or maybe you want to make a charitable donation? It's entirely up to you. However, it's worth noting that this step isn't just about deciding who gets your stuff when you're gone. It's also about ensuring that your loved ones are taken care of in the event of your incapacity. Third, set up the legal documents to ensure your wishes are followed. This usually involves drafting a will or setting up a trust. A will outlines how you want your assets distributed after your death, while a trust can provide more control over how your assets are managed and distributed. It's crucial to work with a qualified attorney to make sure these documents are properly set up and legally binding. Now, this may all sound a bit overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Estate planning can be a simple process if you take it one step at a time. And remember, it's not just for the wealthy. Everyone can benefit from having a plan in place to protect their assets and their loved ones. So, take some time to think about what you want your estate plan to achieve. Consider your financial situation, your family's needs, and your personal desires. And don't be afraid to ask for help. Estate planning professionals are there to guide you through the process and make sure your wishes are respected. Remember, estate planning is a dynamic process that needs updating as your life circumstances change. There are various tools at your disposal to make your estate planning effective. Let's start with the most common one, a will. A will is a legal document that lays out your wishes regarding the distribution of your assets and the care of any minor children. Next, we have trusts. A trust is a legal arrangement where one person, the trustee, holds property for the benefit of another person, the beneficiary. Trusts can be used to manage how and when your assets will be distributed, often bypassing the lengthy and costly probate process. Lastly, let's talk about the power of attorney. This is a legal document that gives someone you choose the power to act in your place. In case you ever become mentally or physically incapacitated, a power of attorney allows a trusted person to handle your affairs. Choosing the right tool depends on your individual circumstances and goals. Estate planning may seem daunting, but it's essential for protecting your legacy and providing for your loved ones. As we've learned today, estate planning isn't just for the wealthy. It's a crucial step for anyone who wants to ensure their assets are distributed according to their wishes after they're gone. From understanding the basics of wills and trusts, to navigating the complexities of probate and tax implications, the process may seem overwhelming. But remember, the power of estate planning lies in its ability to provide peace of mind. Knowing that you've taken steps to protect your legacy and provide for your loved ones is indeed a comforting thought. Today, we've only scratched the surface of estate planning. There's much more to learn and explore. Seek advice from professionals, read books, and do your own research to fully understand this important topic. Start your estate planning journey today and ensure that your legacy is protected for generations to come.